Well, this time I review peaceful tiny cabin homes with several examples of creative ideas for the interior. Okay, let's watch. The cabin is located in a calm area of the woodland, and the cabin's roof slopes and its construction is made of wood. A comfortable interior with a wooden floor, a sofa, and a table is visible via the open front door. The cabin's facade is painted light shade. The cabin is surrounded by vegetation. There are several trees in the background, and also the illumination is dim. Cozy blanket is placed on a loft bed made of wood. A wooden desk with a lamp is located beneath the bed. A tiny sofa with a strip blanket is present. A few works of art and some plants grace the walls. There is a patterned rug on the floor. A collection of bookshelves and ornamental objects make up the background. This tiny home shows the room's plenty of natural light. There is a loft with a mattress, a tiny kitchen with a stove and sink, a sitting space with a table and cushion chair, and a wooden stairway. And the window has a clear curtain, and the walls are composed of wood. Additionally, the floor is composed of wood. The cabin's floor and structure are both made of wood. The tiny living area has a coffee table, a sofa, and a potted plant. Above the living area is a loft with a railing. There are several shelves and a hanging planter on the wall. Wood and dim lighting provide a cozy atmosphere in the space. Cozy sofa with a throw cushion with a pattern is present. Near the sofa is a tiny wooden table. Around the room are a few potted plants. The room is filled with natural light from a huge window that is covered. The ceiling and walls are finished in light wood. There is a black rug on the floor. Well, from the review above, which peaceful tiny cabin home design do you like? Please write in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video until the end. Thank you.